Yo, what is going on, everybody? It's your boy Turbo back again here with another video here. So I just wanted to let you guys know I will be doing some custom track stuff made by you guys. So if you have a custom track you made or Super 7 challenge card and you'd like me to check it out, I'm open to doing that. Granted, we don't get too many submissions because when that starts happening, I'm just going to have to start grabbing them at random. I know at first I should be able to get to just about all of them unless, for whatever reason, we get thousands of custom tracks to do. Physically, one person can't really do that in a reasonable amount of time. Obviously, we got 365 days in a year, so if we get 1,000 submissions, then we're going to be a little overwhelmed. But I don't expect that to happen. But if it does, I apologize if I don't get to your event. But with that said, I do have a Google form here, which you do see on screen now. Basically, I just set up a simple little form. Link will be in the description down below, as well as a link to my club within Forza Horizon 5. So if you want to join the club as well, that is great. If not, because you got your own club, even better. Do your thing, man. We all here to play a game, have fun together. So as far as content for the channel goes, I'd like to showcase some of your guys' stuff. So going over the form real quick, basically when you come in here, it's just gonna have a picture of the Crossfade Motorsports Design Evo 8 Forza Horizon 5 custom tracks. Submit your tracks here and I will showcase them at random on the YouTube channel. Already covered that. Now, it's a very simple setup. As we are aware that we both have Super 7 challenge cards and the Event Lab blueprints. They are two separate things. If you try and search for one, say you try and search a Super 7 challenge card in the Event Lab category, it won't show up. It'll say no results found. That's why I have this here. So I want you guys to just let me know if it's an Event Lab blueprint or a Super 7 challenge card. You just simply click on one of these. It is, one or the other. Type in your event name, so the name of the track or whatever is on the card itself, and then your share code. When you're looking at your card or whatever, you click the right stick in, it'll show you the information and the share code there. So yeah, just wanted to put this out there so you guys can check it out and submit some of your stuff, and I will get around to checking those out. Peace.